Number 21, back to number 5. Harassed by number 24, to Fabio. Number 4, take a shot. No basket. Big rebound by number 7. Number 7, pass to number 17. Number 17, no basket. Ito ba salud? Salud, it's a block. No, salud, di masagin na ball. Tingnan na rin mandar, tingnan na. Number 14, give up 2 shots. Para kay Salud. Substitution, Brett. Itcholain. Number 31. Unang buslo, para po kay Salud. 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 Basket. Okay, last go. Para po kay Salud. Sabril. Rush in. Number 24 up. Number 5. Bringing down the ball. Number 5. Number 5, nagharap ng mababasahan. Number 21. Number 21, Aras Betoso. And pass to number 10. Number 10, ball. Traveling. Pass through. Number 18, over the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to Salud. Back to number 17, take a shot. Keepers. Number 17. Number 14, pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Setting the play. Pass to number 21. Back to number 5. Aras Betoso. And there's a goal. Number 18, hacking foul, 2 shots. Two shots po para Sabido. Sabido, unang buslo. Basket. Okay. Number 5, Sabido. Oh. Nakaya dito eh. Sumagod na. And same ball. Last touch. Number 7.
Paano pa sir?
Number 5. Set the play. Aras Betoso. And number 4, nakalusot. Number 18. Ay! Pasok. Guarded by number 10. Pasok. 2 points. Number 5. Bringing down the ball. To number 21. Guarded by Pasok. Estua. And Stephen Rush. And there's a whistle. Probably. Sub number 19, 14 out. Number 10, number 5. Number 5, set the play. Makalusot kayo sa number 5 to number 4. To the point. Pass to Salud. Time remaining. 8 minutes.
Oo, Darnell.
Set the
Kaya
play.
pa sabi yun, dapat daw
Official score, 20-15 in Pedro Rara. And Quezon, What? Number 5. Number 5, set the play. It's screened by number 21. Guarded by Quezon. Pass to number 10. Bordering para po kay Inciola. Number 7, guarded number 5. Number 18. Number 18. Naghanap ng papasahan. Oh! Patuloy ang mga agaw. Ayun, pinasahan ng kalaban. Sigas Dua. recovered the ball by Tuason. Tuason. Harassed by number 5. Pass to number 17. Number 17 take a shot. The basket. And where's the whistle? Same ball daw po. Referee Joe. Ating foging referee. Number 18. Drive. And is a block by number 9. Para big block. By a big man. Number 5. Tapos by number 17 na kalusot. Naiwan na si number 17. Drives in. Scores! Number 5. Number 19, iba na po. Pass to Paso. Paso to number 17. Number 17 bringing down the ball. Number 17. Time remaining 6:40 at second quarter. Big rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Isiset niya raw. Slow break lang daw po. Hindi na natin madali. Pass to number 4. And pwede na sa loop. Number 4. 2. Break. Back to Paso. Inahalas mo na ba?
Wakwa!
Nangursunada number 18. Ngulit. No good. Number 9. Number 10. Akin na to. Maninindigan ko ba ito? Pinchola. Pinanindigan na. And there's a whistle. By referee boy 2.
Yung laro na yun, yung Arnold, kailangan i-set mo siya.
Oh!
Hindi siya pwede mag-attack.
Technical. Number 18. Pushing. Technical foul. Number 18. Okay. Mag-iisa lang muna si Chola. Chola. Unang bago gusto. No good. Time remaining 6 minutes. Second quarter. Official score. 26-18. Second draw. No good.
Wala yan, wala.
Number 9. Custodio. Basket. Basket ang third attempt ni Custodio. Okay, over there. No good. White ball. Number 18, Radway. Number 4, ibang ball to number 23. High pause, number 18, Radway. Okay, replay. Inbound the ball by number 4 to number 23. Pass to number 5. Mangungusap na fake shot, and there's a whistle by referee Joe. Number 22. Number 10, inbound the ball. Pass to number 23 to number 4. Mangungusap na. Foul shot. Na-recover mo number 10. Number 10, there's a whistle. No basket, it's a traveling. Muli po, passport muna. Bravo. Number 30, now si number 5. Number 30, umidiskarte. Maninindigan kaya ito? Hindi. May dito. Si referee Joel. Number 23. Holy Army, 5 minutes, 39 seconds. Second quarter, number 13. And back to number 22, take a shot. No basket, by Custodio. Big rebound, pass to number 5. Number 5. Isa sa masipang naman na laro natin ngayon para sa semi-finals. Mabata na matibay. Ano sila na number 4. No basket. Oh! Rebound niya, tira niya. to number 22. Pass to Espinosa. No good. Rebound to number 10 to number 23. Number 23. Bringing down the ball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 5. Is this it? Straight by number 9. And starting by number 13. And one hour situation. 22 by number 23. Number 22 take a shot. 2 points. Number 5. Number 5. Bringing down the ball. Inabantay ng number 22. Number 5, nagbayad ng babasahan. Ibinasa ka number 23. Pass to Custodio. Custodio. And pass to number 4. No good. Salud. 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 Pass to number 23. National whistle by referee. 23. Holding foul. Substitution 16. Wasol in. Number 17 and number 13 out. Time again. Number 47 Rebubas out. Number 19. Number 22 pass to Wasol. Ano sunada? Natuloy na number 23. Ang pagkada by number 47. Press na press number 25. Shot. Number 16. Number 16. Pass to Wasol. Wasol. Nagano mapasahan? Pass to San Jose. San Jose. Pass to AK. 27. No good. Ito by Custodio. Big roll by Custodio. Custodio. Pinababa ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Setting the play. Dati by Wasol. Pass to Custodio. And number 4. Napakaganda para kay Gas. Ngunit hindi na recover. Number 22, pass to Wasol. It's a 3-1 Number 2, number 47, 2-4. It's 31-22. Lamak po Andrae. Number 5, pass to Custodio. It's a foul basket.
Lagi drop pass lang. Kasi
Bonus
mahal sa
shot
kanya yung defense.
para kay Custodio. Custodio. PDVC. Time remaining 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Second quarter.